Hello children, welcome to today's Cultural and Creative Art class. In today's class, our topic is the basic consideration in local architecture. The basic consideration in local architecture. There are a number of factors to be considered before setting up a local architecture or house. These are number 1, available spaces. Number 2, proper ventilation. Number 3, nature of building materials. Number 4, availability of building materials. Number 5, cost of building materials. Number 6, approval. Number 7, the builders or workers. The builders or workers. Areas where local materials could be found. Areas where local materials could be found. Number 1, in the forest. Stick, bamboo, grass, or palm frond. Number 2, at home. Sand, mud, stone, and water. Number 3, open field. Sand, mud, and stone. Number 4, riverbank. Sand, stone, and shell for decoration. So children, that is all for today. Hope you enjoyed the class. See you in the next class. Please subscribe to this channel, like, and turn on the notification button for more videos like this.